Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class amid third semester. We will discuss the topic interrelationship between measurements and evaluation. Now, introduction of measurements and evaluation. The realization of educational goals and objectives in the educative process is based on the accuracy of the judgment and interference made by decision makers at every stage. To arrive at good decision, the test, measurements and evaluation are being used in all educational situations. हमें कोई भी गुड डिसीजन लेने के लिए टेस्ट, मेजरमेंट और इवेल्यूशन तीनों कंपोनेंट्स की ज़रूरत होती है, तभी किसी एक सेटिस्फाई जजमेंट को हम कंप्लीटली एक्यूरेसी में तय कर सकते हैं. Measurements, it is a device to produce for confronting a subject with a standard set of questions or tasks to which the student is to respond independently, and the result of which can be treated as a quantitative comparison of the performance of different students. It is a quantitative form of assessment and evaluation according to Scriven 1963. It is the assessment of merits on and worth. According to Scriven, it is regarded as providing information and for decision making. It's a quality based assessment. Okay, ऑब्जेक्टिव अटेंडेंस. देखिए इस डायग्राम में मैंने आपको एजुकेशन नीड्स के बारे में बताया है. ऑब्जेक्टिव अटेंडेंस, गोल अटेंडिंग एंड इफेक्टिव लर्निंग्स, ये हैं हमारे कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इवैल्यूएशन नीड्स. Learning is more important than teaching. Okay, and some principles for evaluation. The following principles are to be considered as the evaluations, considering the interrelationship between objectives, instructions or learning experience and evaluations. Determine and clarify what is to be evaluated. Knowing the strength and limitations of various evaluation techniques. Taking education as a means to an end, not an end in itself. Evolution is a continuous process. Evolution एक continuous process होती है. ये देखिए प्रोसेस को मैंने शो किया है आपका किस तरीके से इवोल्यूशन की एक प्रोसेस को दिखाया गया. आइडेंटिफाइंग द डिफाइनिंग जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड डिफाइनिंग स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, सिलेक्टिंग टीचिंग पॉइंट्स, प्लानिंग सुटेबल लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इवेल्युएटिंग एंड यूजिंग द रिजल्ट एज फीडबैक. इस तरीके से ये कंप्लीट साइकिल इवोल्यूशन की चलती है. इवोल्यूशन इज अ जजमेंटल प्रोसेस. देखिए, belief, values and attitudes on the participants are student evaluations. Feasibility evaluations. Okay, thank you.